Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I will like to show to you the way how you can get the flip features for your Instagram. So the first action that you can do to get those flip, you just need to open your app store and wait until it's open, and then in the search button here you just need to type Instagram. And you just need to make sure that you already update your Instagram into the last versions. So you just need to go click update, and you just need to wait until your Instagram is successfully updated, because the flip feature is kind of like new features that provide by the Instagram. So make sure that you got it updated first to get those features on your account. And then you just need to wait before you can open the Instagram. And now you just need to open it, and how the way you can find it, you just need to open your profile, and if there is still no flip side over here, you just need to go click these three straight lines and go click settings and privacy, and then you just need to scrolling up to the down part, and you just need to visit the help. And now you just need to go click report problem, and you just need to go report problem without shaking. And now you just need to go click include and continue, and then you just need to explain that my account has no flip side feature, and then you just need to go click send. Now just need to wait until the Instagram replying your message and report. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.